Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download a YouTube playlist with YouTube Premium. Alright, let's begin. It's super useful to be able to download a YouTube playlist. So first of all, I'm just going to go and create a playlist which I want to download. So to do that, I'm going to find some videos. I'm just on the random channel now. I'll click on this video here and scroll down and click on three dots and then click on save. And then click on create new playlist, and I'll go and name this videos to download. You can name it what you want though and press create. The video will then be added to it, and we'll go and find a couple more as well just to go and show you how this goes and works. I've now added a couple of videos to a playlist. Now what you need to do is come to that playlist. So come to the left of YouTube and go and click on a playlist. Now go and find a playlist you want to go and download. In this case, it's this one here. Now what you need to do is go and click on view full playlist, the option at the bottom there, and we'll then see it. Then all you need to do is go over to the left, click on three dots, and you'll go into the option for download. It's important to note that you will need YouTube Premium, and that is a subscription to YouTube in order to do downloads. If you haven't already got it, you can click on your profile icon in the top right and go and get Premium. But click on that button and they'll then go and start downloading. So that's basically how you can download a YouTube playlist with YouTube Premium. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.